All right. Oh, well, we got to install, try to get done before they get there. They said they're going to be there about noon, 11:30, noon. Try to get everything outside done before they get there. So all we have to do is get the wire to the inside of the RV, set up the router. So when they get there, all I got to do is run a wire to the inside, plug in the router, turn it on, and it should be all done. At least that's what I'm shooting for. Put up the CPE, mount the box, plug in the router outside, plug it all in, activate their account, be sure it's all working, and then when they show up, just run the wire, plug it in, give them the Wi-Fi name and the password, which is going to be on the bottom of the router, and they should be ready to go. Then I got to get back to the studio, pick up daughter, and have her to work in Wilmington, which is an hour drive, because her work is basically on the other side of Wilmington. So not only got to go to Wilmington, pretty much go all the way through it. So it's going to be a long day. Easy day, but a long one. Then I got another one I got to install this week. So look for that one. And also I got to relocate a CPE off of a 10-foot pole up on a tree because so many RVs are there. It's just 10-foot pole is not working anymore in that particular spot. It just seems like this RV park, I just need to put them all up in a tree and just call it a day, because 10-foot poles are just not enough anymore. But look for that video too, and let's get this one installed and see if we can get it all up and running before they show up about noon. Okay, we got the CPE. I had to use one of these just to get by because I don't have anything else in stock right now, which is supposed to be here like this weekend. But it gets, I got the wire ran from there underneath for the router I'm going to put inside. Comes out here. Now I got to cut it and put an end on it. Then run a wire from the box over and up the tree to the CPE. So let's get this thing done, because I got somebody that has a printer that they brought and they can't get it to connect to their laptop. So I'm going to try to get that done today too before I head out and take daughter to work. So let's see if we can get all this done. Alright, we got that one installed. Now we'll go get the laptop and see if we can actually log into it and set up his account, or just activate his account and drop the radio in it, and it should be ready to go then. But we'll see if we have any issues, which I don't think we will. Need more hands. Alright, we got the wire ran. Let's go see if we can actually log into it. Should be booting up as we speak. And let's see. Well, I'm trying to get ahead of myself. I can't log into something that's not even plugged in or even wired yet. So let's go install this, and then we can log in. Let's go get that connected. Alright, got this one done. Now we're going to go inside and connect up his TV. And we should be able to get out of here. Get the ladder. Alright, that one is connected. hard to video when they got all music playing, but it was nice to have music playing and to do the install. But they are connected. Now we can go see if we can get somebody's printer connected. They got a new printer and they want to see if they can get it connected to their laptop, I do believe. So let's get on there and get that done, and then I can get out of here and get daughter to work. So thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing, all that good stuff. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.